Look at your bank account. The average family loses $9,700 every single year without even realizing it. That is $808.33 evaporating every 30 days, or $26.57 slipping through your fingers every 24 hours. It is almost never one massive $10,000 financial disaster. Instead, it's a silent daily bleed driven by 4 tiny drains: a $5 daily habit spend, a $15 recurring subscription, a $25 convenience markup, and a $40 monthly upgrade fee. Combined, these 4 microleaks quietly steal $85 every 7 days. Here is your immediate 60-second action step. Log into your primary bank account right now and audit your last 90 days of transaction history. 92% of people who complete this simple 10-minute check instantly spot $100 to $300 in invisible monthly waste, reclaiming up to $3,600 starting today. Corporations love recurring revenue because one tiny $12 monthly charge sounds invisible, but quietly extracts $144 every 365 days. The average family carries 4 to 7 forgot subscriptions, draining $42 to $83 every 30 days, and handing businesses $500 to $1,000 in pure yearly profit for zero actual value. This isn't an accident. It's a $1.5 trillion recurring revenue model built entirely to capitalize on human forgetfulness across 12 months of silent auto-renewals. Your solution takes 3 minutes. Log into your bank app and search 3 exact keywords: subscription, membership, and renewal. Instantly group every hit into 3 buckets: keep, downgrade, or cancel. Canceling just 2 unused services instantly recovers $25 a month, putting $300 back into your cash flow before your next paycheck hits in 14 days. Welcome to the convenience tax, where you pay $10 in extra fees just to save 12 minutes of driving. A single $10 markup on delivery fees, priority service, or rush handling 3 times a week quietly extracts $30 every 7 days. Multiply that across 52 weeks, and you hand apps $1,560 a year for a total of 15.6 saved hours. That means you are paying tech platforms an effective rate of $100 per hour just to sit on your couch for 10 extra minutes. Execute the 3-2-1 rule today to kill 80% of this tax. Limit delivery orders to 3 times a month. Pick up food yourself 2 times a week to pocket a 20% native discount, and enforce one hard boundary: zero priority fees ever. This one shift reclaims $1,200 in cold hard cash every 365 days. The premium upgrade is retail's most profitable psychological trick. Anchor a base model at $500, then pitch a pro version for just $25 more a month. A $25 monthly phone upgrade sounds harmless over 30 days, but it quietly burns $900 across a 36-month contract. Add a $200 monthly car trim upgrade across 60 months, and you bleed $12,000 for leather seats you use 45 days a year. Corporations build 3 tiers: base, pro, and deluxe, specifically to nudge 80% of buyers into paying 40% more for features they use less than 5% of the time. Enforce the 30-day upgrade rule. When tempted by a premium tier, wait 30 full days, test the base model first, or buy certified refurbished at a 35% discount. Skipping phantom upgrades puts $2,400 back into your bank account every 12 months. A $15 workday lunch across 250 office days burns $3,750 a year. Pair that with a $6 daily coffee across 365 days, another $2,190, and you are quietly chewing through $5,940 every 12 months. The problem isn't enjoying high-end dinners, it's 2 unconscious automated microtransactions repeated 5 days a week. You aren't paying for superior nutrition, you are paying a massive tax on zero preparation. Overhaul this system with 2 simple moves starting tomorrow. Brew coffee at home for 70 cents a cup to recover $1,934 every 365 days, and prep just 3 lunches a week to slash your midday food bill by 60%. These 2 small tweaks won't alter your lifestyle, but they will lock $1,500 to $2,500 of pure cash back into your bank account every single year. When you spend $300 on a designer jacket, you aren't just losing $300. you are sacrificing $2,284 in future wealth. That single $300 invested in a standard index fund, returning 7% annually over 30 years compounds into $2,283.67. Every non-essential purchase carries a hidden 760% opportunity cost penalty over 3 decades. To stop this financial decay, apply 2 strict filter questions before spending over $50. First, will this purchase generate direct income? Second, will it save you at least 10 hours of work? If both answers are no, enforce a mandatory 72-hour cooling-off period. Holding back for 3 full days kills 82% of emotional impulse buys on the spot, protecting $1,800 in capital every 12 months to fuel real investments. The average person spends 5.8 hours every single day staring at screens. That is over 2,117 hours every 365 days handed directly to recommendation algorithms. Before e-commerce platforms can take $1 from your bank account, they must first steal 10 seconds of your attention. A single push alert declaring a flash sale ending in 3 hours triggers an immediate dopamine response. These targeted notifications convert your focus into an average drain of $120 every 30 days, or $1,440 across 12 months spent on items you never originally intended to buy. Break this loop in 60 seconds with 3 rules. First, disable 100% of non-essential shopping app notifications. Second, delete shopping apps to force a 2-step browser login. Third, enforce a strict 24-hour waiting period on all cart items over $20. Adding this friction kills 68% of impulse buys, protecting $1,200 of your hard-earned income every single year. Take 2 families earning the exact same $85,000 annual income today. Family A ignores the hidden microleaks, bleeding $9,700 every 365 days, throwing away $97,000 in pure cash across 10 years. Family B spends 30 minutes plugging those leaks and automatically redirects that same $9,700 each year into a simple 7% compound growth account. Fast forward 120 months. Family A has $0 remaining, while Family B holds $133,900 in compound wealth. That creates a staggering $230,900 net worth divide between 2 households with 0 income difference. The ultimate lesson? Financial freedom is never decided by one giant stroke of luck. It is forged across 3,650 daily micro-decisions, and your next $800 monthly recovery starts the exact second you close this video.